Hello everyone, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back. I have a few things to show you today, and they come to us from Fansells, fantastic Fansells finds, and I found some fantastic things there. So let me show them to you. Let's put these aside for a minute. We'll look at this painting first, since it's like all ready to go here. So here is what their toolkit looks like. Comes with every painting, every kit. And this was just something different. From time to time, I like to pick out something a little different. And I liked this tree. It had really pretty colors, blues and greens. I liked the color scheme. This back here does not get any drills, as all of this like leafage part here. But the tree is covered with drills. And then this pretty, it reminds me of like an oval picture frame framing the tree. And it's very pretty. It has 8, 9, 10 different types of drills. And there's going to be some pretty ones in here, I am sure. Let's look at them and see what we get. What do we get? So today is one of those weird days. It's been rainy, so it's made it very muggy. It was cold this morning. Now the sun has come out and it's humid. It's just a weird day. Very weird day. You might hear Dale outside. He's got his tractor out. He's doing some rolling of the lawn again. All right, so here we go. Pretty green, clear, another green, very pretty blue. This is like a grayish champagne-y color. Another pretty blue. And here's our special drills. A very pretty faceted blue. Another faceted blue. We got round and we got marquee. And then we have our pretty pearls, the white and then the blue. The whites are bigger than the blues. Very pretty, right? I told you, blue and green. I love it. Love those colors together. All right, so that's our painting. 30 by 40. I don't get very many 30 by 40s anymore. Most of them are 30 by 30s, so this was unique in a couple different ways. All right. Let's start busting into the boxes. What's in the boxes? What's in the boxes? All right, so here we have a piece of foam. It's in here like that. Interesting. Our toolkit in there. All right, here is our drills. And then here is our stand. Okay, film on both sides. Make sure you peel that off there. And here is the piece that goes in the stand. Very pretty. It's a dragonfly and a whole bunch of flowers. It's a smaller piece. I like the smaller ones sometimes. Peel off the film off the back. How pretty is that? I like it. Nothing's broken. None of my leaf tips are broken. It all looks good. We got special drills here and here. Of course, those. There's quite a few special drills on that. I thought it was super pretty. I like it a lot. What do you think? I like it a lot. Let's look at the drills and see what the drills look like that go with it. Mr. Sonny's decided to hop up on the table over there so he can look out the window. I wouldn't be surprised if he decides to hop his little butt over here, but we're not talking about that right now. We'll just see if he behaves himself. All right, what are all of our pretty colors? We have some clear. Those are pink, a deep, deep, deep pink. Those are super pretty. An olive green. That's a blue, very dark, dark blue. A light orange. Another like smoky blue. Champagne. I guess that's the best word. Lime green. Light pink. Darker pink. And that is a purple. Very dark, dark purple. That's pretty. A teal. A yellow. Then we have 3 of these gold faceted rounds. We have some pretty pink pearls. We have some yellow, like they're clear. More of those white, pearly teardrops. Look at those. Those are almost like a neon green. They're pretty, aren't they? Those are super pretty. Then we have some clear, iridescent shards. Nice. That will be petals. I'm certain that will be petals on some of the flowers. Love it. Yep, those daisies. For sure. Okay. Now, the next item is very interesting. I have seen these for a while, and I have not thrown one in my cart, but I did this time. So let's get into this. If I can get the box to open without tearing everything up. Come on, don't tear it all up here. Okay, here we go. All right, so lots of stuff in here. Ooh, lots of pieces. Toolkit. Ooh, instructions. Love that we get instructions. Okay, I think that's it. All right, so here are 2 wooden pieces. One gets drills, one does not. Okay, like one's the top, one's the bottom. Possibly, we'll find out in a second. Okay, then we have all of these little pieces in here. Let's get these out. All right, lots of things. So we have this guy. This is the top. Looking at the directions here. Let's see. And these, well, we have a vial. Oh, it's plastic. Okay, it wasn't going to break. It's plastic. And we have all these little pieces. Now, all of these get drills. Look at all these little pieces. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. Look at all those. All right. So how does this work? How does this work, you might ask? All right. So it says remove the protective film, align the 2 larger holes, insert the vase. How do you insert the vase? Remove the film, align the 2 large base holes, and stick them together. Well, this really just sits in here. It doesn't go into the hole. It just like sits in the hole. Now these are your sides, okay? And they're going to go like that. And then they're going to go into the top. So I'm only going to show you like a couple here, maybe just one. Let's see. And this is going to be harder to do with the film on everything. Oh, you do both sides of these too. Anyhow, I don't think I can get it in here. I don't think I can get it in here with the film on. But, okay, it's going to sit like this. This goes in here, and this goes in the top. Okay? And then these go all the way around like this. And it will all hold up that center piece with the vial that's going to sit right in the middle. Can you even see what I'm doing? Can you see it? So this sits here in the center, right? It's just going to sit there. And then you build all the way around with these guys, all the way around, and they go in the top, and your vial will sit in the middle. It's a little flower holder. I thought it was really cute. I had no idea how it would all go together. It's got to go through 2 layers here as well, I think. So it's cute. See, I'll show you. I'll show you how it kind of goes. See? Start putting in all your pieces all the way around. And then eventually the vial goes down through the center. And it will hold like 1 or 2 little flowers. Pretty cute though. Pretty cute. They had different colors, different designs, all that kind of stuff. I just picked one that I thought would be pretty, you know? A lot of drilling to do on all this stuff. All of these are double-sided. This is just one side and this is one side, but you got to do all of these little guys. Interesting. I thought it was interesting. Let's look at what the drills are. That is quite a project right there. Quite a project. I like to call it installation. All right, what do we get? So here's our color palette, like a coral, an orange, a lemony yellow, a darker yellow. These are all very like dusty, powdery looking. A blue, a bright orange, some black. Then we have special drills, marquise, clear, iridescent, Wow, I have not had these before. The claws, as I call them, come in this color. I have not had rounds like that. Look how pretty those are with the iridescent shimmer to them. Love that, all those colors. And then some little blue faceted rounds. So, like I said, interesting, different, unique. I thought, let's find something a little different. Why not? So, we're going to put together our little guy there. There's our pretty drills for it. We got our little dragonfly, his drills, and then our tree. So that's our selection for today. What do you think? What do you think? Lots of goodies here. I'm going to get it all mixed up, aren't I? No, I won't. Okay, I will link them below so you can go check them out, see if there's something there that you're interested in. This is going to be kind of cool. I think it'll be kind of cool. I'm going to kind of like that. All right. So thanks for watching, everybody. And thank you for hitting the like button. And thank you for subscribing if you're new to my channel and talking to your friends about me, sharing videos, all of those kinds of things, helping the channel to grow. And hopefully we hit our goal here soon. So thank you so much. And I'll see you real soon in the next video. You never know what it's going to be. It could be diamond painting. It could be crochet. It could be books. You just never know with me. All kinds of fun stuff on my channel. All right. I will see everybody soon. Have a great day. And hopefully the weather's decent where you're at. Get outside and enjoy it. All right. See you soon.